Okay, so in part 3 of building our final project, I need to add the basic structure that needs to go into this first index.html, which is the home page. Now, fortunately, I've created a basic structure template.html that I've been using for all the modules so far in the class. And so it's easy for me to just copy and paste. If you don't have this, you should pause this video right now and copy this or type this into your own basic structure template.html and then save that file so you can open it later to just quickly copy and paste. So go ahead and copy this, go back into my index.html and paste it. Okay, so I can go ahead and close that basic structure. So now we have an index page that needs to be linked to the styles file. So right here, I just named it styles.css, so I need to remember to place file name with styles.css. So I can delete this node if I want to, because I did in fact follow that rule. And this is going to be whatever my final project is. So I'll say final project home. But remember, if your project is your portfolio or a store site or an information site, you should replace final project with whatever your site's title would be. Keep it short and sweet. Okay, so now I think we are pretty much ready to start adding some content. We're going to make sure that the styles are working. And to do that, we're going to go ahead and save this and open it in live preview. And there's my live preview. And it doesn't really have anything yet other than the heading and content, but I want to make sure styles are linked. So I'm going to say H1, because I know I'm going to style that eventually. H1 color should be red. So because I see the H1 turning red, I know that they are linked and they are ready to go. In the next tutorial video, we're going to actually start creating some of the structure that you see here.